Howdy do, boys and girls. Welcome to Kilts Culture. I am Rocky. That's not Eric. It's Ian. Today, special treat. We are trying Speyburn Bradan Orach. You have to, your CHs, Bradan Orach. Jim Sheaves gave this to us back in May. So we're going to try this and give you our honest feedback. Other special treat today in the MC chair, we have Miss Emma again. So if they bring her in, there she is. There she is. So yes. So any ladies out there, add in the ladies' questions. We're going to be answering all kinds of stuff today. All right. So do we have the tasting notes for this? I just realized. I don't know.
Yes.
You got them?
Yeah,
Sweet.
got them
all
right
right.
here.
Are we getting spayed to review this one?
I'll spay you if you keep making that joke. Your wife may appreciate it. All right, Emma, why don't you give us some tasting notes?
Yes. Tasting notes for this one. To the nose, we should be experiencing some green apples, honey, lemon, and vanilla.
Honey, lemon, and vanilla. That is interesting.
Mm-hmm.
It's not the usual combination of things you hear about.
All right, why don't you come on out here and collect your glass, and while you are here, tell us the tartan that you have on today. What do you got on there?
Yeah, this is Buchanan Antique Tweed.
Ooh, very nice, very nice. All right.
How about you there, Rocky? What you wearing?
It's you have to go next then.
Oh,
yes.
Sorry.
There's an order. There's always an
I'm
order.
rusty. I'm wearing the Raelia tartan.
Yes.
Commemorating H.P. Lovecraft.
Lovecraftian tartan.
Yes.
Yes, indeed. And today I have on my American Dream tartan with my brand new sweater, nice and cozy. All right, enough of this. So I wasn't even listening. Green apples, you said, and something else?
Green apples, honey, lemon, and vanilla.
I'm smelling the inferior apples. Are we all in agreement that red apples are the best? No, apparently not. Oh, we can have a fight on the show. Now, green apples are better for cooking. I don't know what's better for Scotch.
Depends on what kind of green apples.
They're too sour.
I like the tart. That's sour tart. They're tart.
All right,
Okay.
The taste is subtle with honey and vanilla, yet full-bodied, creamy and smooth with a long, spicy finish, energetic and appealing. This is the brightest member of the Speyburn range.
Definitely getting the spicy finish.
The spicy finish hit me like 7 or 8 seconds later.
Spicy finish. Wasn't that your favorite ska band back in the day?
They were from Finland. Like how that joke took a second too. All right. I'm
not getting the sweet element so much.
I am.
Hmm?
I'm getting a little sweet. Emma, how are you tasting any? Are you picking up what they're putting down?
I don't mind this one. I'm not really picking up much of anything on it. It's very, I don't know, subtle, I guess I would say to me. There's not anything that's like punching me in the face.
Not the biggest fan of Speyside scotches, though.
I've grown to like them a lot more. One of the first scotches we tried on the show was Shield Egg,
Mm-hmm.
that a customer gave to us, and I really, really liked it. And it's a Speyside as well, I think. So yeah, it's a nice. It's more balanced. When you're in the mood for a kick in the teeth, you go with a Lagavulin or an Ardbeg or something like that. But if you're in the mood for just a nice even, simple, yeah, it's not bad.
I wouldn't say Speyside strikes me as simple as a rule. It just tends to be on the more spicy side. So, I don't know.
To me, it's more mellow. I'll put it that way. Okay. Oh, geez, water really cut the hell out of this. It's like I made it a cocktail. That's a lot.
Picking up a little bit more on the sweetness now.
Yeah.
Certainly not overwhelming though. It's subtle on the sweet.
And it took out all the peppery, spicy finish to me as well.
I'm not picking up on any of the specific sweet flavors. I'm not like vanilla and honey and I forget what the other one was, but just generically a little sweet.
Yeah, I think that's the honey to me. I'm tasting honey as I'm not like I don't actually like honey. I don't put it on things.
I like
but
honey
I
quite a
get
bit.
that. It's a little viscous, kind of like film in the mouth. It's a little bit sweet, and that's the honey kind of thing to me. Emma, are you getting any of this?
Yeah, I would say it's a little bit sweet. It's not eliciting a Jace's face from me, so I'm actually, it's more palatable for me than other ones I've tried. So I do get a little bit of the sweetness. Yeah. I would say so. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Yeah, it's not super complex. Not picking up on a lot of the individual little notes.
Yeah.
But it's not bad.
I like it fine.
Yeah.
No major objections.
Yeah, I will have a second glass. I like it that much. Okay, Emma, score it. 1 to 10. Get in there with the decimals. Tell me.
Yeah, I think I'm going with maybe a 6.3 on this one.
6.3. Okay.
Last time I was on, I gave what we had a 5, and this is definitely more along what I would drink than that. So 6.3, solid.
Okay.
So what normally happens is I give a number and then you scold me and tell me what the rating scale means. Well, now that you tell me, I'll change my answer. So what? Remind me again, where are we at?
8 and above is you would drive somewhere to get it.
Yeah.
2 and below, you're gonna refuse it.
Yeah.
5 is it's fine. Like 7 is like it's pretty good.
So 5 is you would buy it, but it's just fine, or it's like I probably wouldn't even buy it, but if it's given to me, because that's where I'm at.
5, yeah, it's more if it's given to you, that's around a 5.
5.
If you like it and you would probably purchase it, then yeah. Do we know what it costs? Can we Google what it costs real quick?
I would say I'm solidly at a 5. I'm happy to accept Jim's gift. It was very kind of him.
Yeah.
But yeah, just not blowing me away.
Okay.
Go for something else.
I like it more than Em. I'm not as rude as Ian is.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna go 7.5. I enjoy it. I wouldn't necessarily drive out of my way to go get it.
Mm-hmm.
But especially with a little bit of water, maybe I poured a few too many drops in. But with a little bit of water, I do like it. It definitely cut down the spiciness, which I'm not a big fan of, so the water helped. But yeah, 7.5.
Okay.
Good solid Scotch. So there you go. Speyburn. What's it called again? Bradan Orach. Orach.
Like
Yes.
Orach.
Indeed. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to be notified every single time we come out with a new video, please subscribe to the channel and ring the bell. You get notified every time a new video comes out. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And if we've said something that you either disagree with violently or fully agree with, let us know down in the comments.